Thank you for coming back to my channel. If you would like to see how I do my strawberry cream lip gloss, please stay tuned. And after the intro, I will show you step by step how I do it. Now first, I'm going to start off with my oils. You can choose whatever oils you would like. A main oil that people use is coconut oil. I know some people do different oils due to allergies or whatever, but just kind of know your customers and work around that. They will let you know. Now I'm just adding the white pigment. I like to add it to the oils because you can mix it easier and then just pour it into the base. You can purchase your pigments anywhere on Amazon. There's a place, TKB Trading, and also I'm working on an ebook to kind of just break this down for you, just in case you would like to know where to get all the products that you need. So please stay tuned for that. Now that you have the pigments and the oils mixed, you are going to go ahead and pour them into your base. This particular lip gloss base needs oils. You can purchase some that don't require you to add oils to it, but for this one you need the oils to get the desired consistency that you want, and also so that it will be moisturizing and shiny on your lips. Okay, once it's all mixed up, the consistency will look like this. Now it's completely up to you how much oil you want to use and how thick you want the formula to be, but please stick with the same formula because anybody that buys from you, they're gonna, when they purchase again, they're gonna want it to feel the same way. So now that I'm done with the white lip gloss, now I'm going to work on the pink, and I already have my oils, and I am using a pink liquid pigment that I purchased at TKB Trading. Okay, now we're going to do the same thing with the pink. We are going to pour the oils and the pigment into the base and stir very well until you get your desired consistency. You can add a little more oil like I said, or even if you want it a little thicker, you can add a little more base to it, however you want it to be, but just make sure you're paying attention to how much you use. So I decided to add a little more white. I really didn't like that pink, so I'm just going to lighten it up just a bit with the white. All right, now that I have my desired color, I am now going to start filling up the lip gloss tubes. I am going to pull out 2 syringes because I have 2 different colors. You do not want to mix the syringes, and please don't reuse these syringes because you can't clean them out. It's very hard to clean lip gloss off of stuff. Don't even try, it's going to be a waste of your time. Okay, now you're going to take your pipette and you are going to just cut that bulb off. Then you're going to insert that over the syringe hole, and then you're going to need some tape because once you push the lip gloss out, it's going to push that thing right off. So you want to make sure that that part is secure so you don't cause a messy situation. Now I'm going to cut off the end of that because I need that hole to be thicker than the thin part of that pipette. You're doing this because sometimes lip gloss tubes are a lot longer. Sometimes they're shorter, but still the syringe tip does not go all the way down to the bottom for you to fill it up properly. So these pipettes make them a little longer so that you won't make a mess and you can get the lip gloss exactly where you need it at in the tube. Okay, now I'm getting my lip gloss tubes and my labels. All right, and these are my strawberries that I'm putting in them. They're just strawberry decals. So now I'm going to grab a few of them and I'm gonna put a little bit at the bottom before I start filling up my tubes. And I'm gonna start with the pink first. You can start with the white if you want. You can put them in there together if you would like, but this is just how I'm doing mine. Okay, now that I added the pink, I'm going to add the white. Another tube that I filled up, I added the strawberries, then added the pink, then I added more strawberries before I filled it with the white. It was just a little easier for me to move the decals around at the end so that I can make sure that they were in place. I do feel like the thicker your lip gloss is, the more the decals will stay in place. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and comment down below for any questions. Thank you, and I will see you guys in my next video.